This is meteorologist Dave Schmidt at the National Weather Service here in La Crosse with an updated severe weather briefing for this Monday, March 6, 2017. A few severe storms are still possible this evening. First hazard, the main threat time being between 6 p.m. and midnight. First main threat will be damaging winds, and to a lesser extent the threats will be isolated tornadoes and hailstones up to 1 inch. The maps on the right indicate the forecast radar between 7 p.m. and 9 p.m., showing a broken line of storms across eastern Minnesota into eastern Iowa. Then from 9 p.m. to midnight, those storms sort of filling in and moving east of the Mississippi in that 9 p.m. to midnight time frame. And then after midnight, quickly exiting east of the area. The second hazard and the second part of the storm system will be strong gusty west winds filling in behind this departing storm system. So the severe threat location will be mainly across southern Minnesota into much of Iowa, with a few strong storms still possible north of I-94. Our confidence in this is medium. As far as the severe weather timing, the approximate impact time, we're looking at west of the river between 6 p.m. and 10 p.m. and east of the river between 8 p.m. and midnight. That timing confidence being medium to high. The severe thunderstorm risk level with the associated hazards, the tornado risk will be low, damaging winds medium, and hail up to 1 inch low. Here's a map of our strongest expected wind gusts from tonight through Tuesday. We're going to have sustained west winds of 25 to 35 miles an hour, with gusts of 40 to 55 miles an hour likely, and isolated higher gusts possible. Of course, with these kind of wind gusts, you can expect some possible wind damage. Our confidence in this is high. Here's our current wind headlines so far, and additional headlines are likely this afternoon. They will be issued this afternoon. Right now, the wind advisories are in effect from tonight or through tonight across portions of eastern Minnesota and northern Iowa. So some summary points. Some impacts from 6 p.m. to midnight. We're expecting the main threat from thunderstorms being damaging winds and to a lesser extent isolated tornadoes and hailstones up to 1 inch. The highest risk of severe weather will be across southeast Minnesota and much of Iowa. Then for tonight into Tuesday, looking at those strong west winds kicking in, 25 to 35 miles an hour sustained, and wind gusts 40 to 55 miles an hour with isolated higher gusts possible. Thanks for your time. Stay safe.